Welcome learners to today's session. Today we continue and focus on scheduling, material input control, balanced production flow, and shutdown lockout. These skills keep a plant running safely and on time. I start by asking you, why are planning and shutdown critical in a production facility? Think for a moment. Good. I focus today on real plant behavior because production never waits. As a controller, I plan ahead, verify readiness, and control shutdowns so nothing is rushed or unsafe. By the end of today, you will be able to explain production scheduling, describe material input control, understand balanced flow, and explain shutdown and lockout. I will complete workbook evidence. These skills prepare me for EISA, where I must show I understand sequencing, flow control, material checks, and safe shutdowns. My goal is not only to run equipment, but to run production in a predictable, safe, and stable way. Production scheduling means planning the sequence of work, who does what, when, and in what order. I match materials, labor, machines, and deadlines. I look at demand, capacity, maintenance windows, and delivery dates. I aim to start the right job at the right time. If I fail to schedule correctly, raw materials may arrive late, machines may be idle, staff may wait, and deadlines may be missed. Here we have an example of a production schedule, showing how different production activities are planned across 8 weeks. As production process controllers, our role is to understand and manage these timelines so production runs smoothly without delays. Week 1. Week 1 is production planning. This is where we plan resources, machinery, labor, and timelines. Good planning prevents delays later in the process. Weeks 2-3. Next, in weeks 2 and 3, we have sourcing. This is when raw materials and components are ordered and delivered. If materials are late, production will stop, so we must track and follow up. Weeks 3-5. From week 3 to week 5, parts assembly starts. Notice it overlaps with sourcing. This is common in manufacturing. Our role is to monitor the process, ensure quality, and avoid bottlenecks. Weeks 5-6. In weeks 5 and 6, final assembly takes place. This is where components come together to form the final product. Controllers ensure smooth flow and equipment availability. Weeks 6-7. Week 6 and 7 is packaging. Finished products are packed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. Weeks 7-8. And finally, distribution happens in weeks 7 and 8. Products leave the facility and go to the customer or warehouse. We ensure correct stock and documentation. Learning point. The important thing to notice is the overlap. Activities run at the same time, meaning delays in one stage can affect the whole schedule. Our job is to monitor progress, communicate with teams, and prevent downtime. Scheduling protects flow, prevents delays and bottlenecks, and ensures material and machine readiness. I think ahead. Are materials checked in? Is labor available? Are machines set and maintained? Production cannot be reactive. I anticipate and prevent issues, so we meet customer deadlines and maintain productivity. Open your workbook and start with this activity. Arrange the production tasks in the correct sequence. Discuss with a partner for 5 minutes. When sequencing, I consider raw material readiness, tooling and equipment, staff placement, quality checks, and packaging and dispatch. After the activity, we compare and I explain why. Correct order prevents rework and downtime. Let's begin. Material input control means ensuring the right material in the right quantity, quality, and specification arrives at the correct time. I verify batch numbers, condition, labels, and storage. I cross-check against the plan. If materials are wrong or late, the line stops costing time and money. My responsibility is to confirm readiness before production begins. Material errors include wrong batch, wrong grade, damaged goods, expired items, or contamination. These cause scrap, rework, machine damage, or quality failures. I catch errors early by checking delivery notes, labels, color codes, and performing visual and physical checks. If anything looks wrong, I escalate immediately. I do not assume it is correct. Now it's time for another activity. Open your workbook and complete the material inspection checklist and list 3 consequences of incorrect materials. Example consequences: quality rejects, machine damage, safety risks, customer complaints, production stoppage. I walk around, support you, and sign off once complete. Balanced flow means each stage feeds the next smoothly. I avoid bottlenecks, starvation, and excess inventory. I track cycle times, queue sizes, and machine speeds. If one section slows down, I adjust resources or escalate. Stable flow increases output and reduces stress, rework, and waste. I control flow by clear communication, reallocating operators, adjusting speeds, and escalating early. I use standard work and visual signals. I do not wait for a backlog to grow. I act when I first see a trend. A controller's job is to maintain rhythm on the line. A shutdown is a controlled safe stop. I stop stations in sequence, isolate energy, drain or clear lines, and follow SOPs. Lockout tagout prevents accidental restart. I place locks, tags, isolate valves, and verify zero energy. I never bypass shutdown procedures, even if pressured for speed. Lockout protects maintenance crews and operators. A restart during work can cause serious injury or death. I follow the procedure every time and challenge unsafe behavior immediately. Safety is not negotiable. Production waits, people don't. Activity: open your workbook. Draw or list safe shutdown steps and write one personal safety rule for lockout. Think of real-life consequences. Share one point with the group. Let's begin, and we will discuss thereafter. Complete workbook tasks on scheduling, material checks, shutdown steps, and workplace improvement idea. I will walk around and assist. Capture real examples connected to your workplace. Quick recap. Why do we schedule? What is balanced flow? Why is lockout critical? Next session, we move into operations management and systems. Thank you, strong focus and participation. Today, see you at the next session.